you keep getting rejected. You probably don't know why, so let me help you out. You're a pawn. You are a pawn in her chessboard. She uses and disuses you whenever she pleases, especially when Chad is out there giving other girls attention and not her. Guess who she's going to? She's going to you. You know what? You're like a service dog. She comes to you and pets you, gives you a little bit of attention when she needs to recharge her beauty battery, so you fill her up with compliments, and then she ignores you and goes back to the guy she really wants. Don't give her attention for free, bro. And you know why this is happening? Number two, you're just not busy enough. You really got nothing going in your life other than that girl's life, other than what she's doing, if she's gonna talk to you, if she's gonna text you back. If the priority in your head is, man, is she gonna text me back? Man, does she like me? You know you're in the wrong. You know this video is for you. You're not busy enough. You should be putting at priority your athleticism, your health, your passion, your business, your school, whatever it is that you want to excel in life, that should be your priority. Then whatever little time you have left over, that's what you give to her. And now that's when she values it, because you have to understand, when you give your time out for free, it's not valuable. It's free. It's like Payless. It's like the dollar store. You're rich in there. When you're scarce with the resource, when you only have a little bit left over, that's when she values it. Number three, you dress like trash. You cannot expect women to want to date you or be proud to have you as a boyfriend that she can show off to her friends, because that's what she's thinking. Is he going to look good in my Instagram pictures? Is he going to look good when I present him to my friends, when I bring him to my family? If you look like a bum, bro, you already ruined yourself. You already casted yourself out the game. Style's the one thing you can control fully, and you're not even trying. And look, I'm not even telling you have to dress formally with a nice shirt like I got right now, or wear a whole suit. I'm not even telling you to do all that. Bro, fall's about to start. How many times have I told you, wear a sweatsuit? A full head-to-toe sweatsuit. It's comfortable. You look athletic. It's in style. You look good. It's that simple. You could, bro, with Essentials, our heavyweight sweats, they're so comfortable, it feels like a blanket. You don't feel suffocating, and you look good. Bro, that's what you need. You know what? Matter of fact, if you guys click the link down below, I'm going to give you a special offer where if you buy a full sweatsuit, which is our classic heavyweight sweats with our heavyweight hoodie, some of our best sellers for fall, you can pick up a second sweatsuit, which are our loose cut sweats, and our half zip, quarter zip. Bro, both of these, they look sick as a set, but you can mix and match. You can take the top and wear it with something else. You can take the bottom and wear it with just a t-shirt. It gives you ultimate versatility. You have two distinct cuts. Bro, I am basically hooking you up for the rest of the year. And you know what? I'm going to hook it up even more. If you click the link down below, you're going to get 50% off those two sets. So basically, when you buy one set, you're getting another one completely free. This is only going to last the next 24 hours. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4, you don't have clear intentions. How many times have I told you when you initiate a conversation with a woman, the first thing she should know is that you find her attractive, that you like her, that you're interested in her, that you want something more with her. But no, so many guys think, man, I'm going to become friends with her, then I'm going to be best friends, and then I'm going to make her fall in love with me. No, bro. You take that route, you are running a 96% risk of ending up in the friend zone. 5, you're listening to black pillars. Bro, I went through a black pill rabbit hole. And yes, I understand the theory, right? Short men, ugly men are at disadvantage. Yeah, sure. It could be true. But the reality is that life is full of disadvantages, not just in dating, but in every aspect of life. Life is full of disadvantages. You could be born in a single parent household. You could have been born with an inheritance, whereas others poor. You could have been born, just you being born in the US versus being born in Latin America, you're already an advantage. Bro, like, life is full of these, and you could sit there, whine, kick, scream, and complain about all the problems and disadvantages that you have versus that good-looking, tall, jacked dude. Or you could analyze your situation and be like, all right, this I can't control, but this, and this I can control. I'm going to optimize all of that. I'm going to work on what I can fix. Yeah, you might get rejected more, but the reality is you have two options. You can stay where you are and complain, or work your ass off to get the results you want. I can promise you two things. The first one, you're going to get no results. The second one, your chances of success will significantly increase. I'll take number 2, which rolls me to number 6. You're just not her type. And this is what I want you guys to understand finally. Rejection is not a big deal. Every girl has a type. Some girls like white dudes, some girls like Spanish dudes, some girls like black dudes, some girls like Asians, straight hair, curly hair, blue eyes. I have a type, you have, we all got types. And if you're not her type, it's so easy for her to reject you. And that's why you shouldn't take rejection so personally. It's not that serious because there's so many different types out there that you're not going to fulfill everybody's liking.